In today's video, I'm going to be trying Andrew Tate's Hustler University or the Real World Affiliate Program. Now, in my last video, I did try the Dropshipping program, and as you guys can see, we did make some profits, and that actually turned out very well. If you didn't see that video, it's going to be in the comments, or it should pop up somewhere here. Watch that video first so you guys can see the dropshipping, which I honestly think was a great part of the course. Now, the reason I'm going to be trying the affiliate program portion of his course or his Hustlers University is because affiliate programming has become one of the most popular side hustles that you can start with $0. Now, as you saw in our last video, the dropshipping actually also took $0. But first, I want to go over how you can make money through the affiliate program. And I don't want to bore you with all the signing up stuff, but I'm just gonna have to show it to show you guys that I am signed up. So as you guys can see, we're on the website now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up really quick, just so you guys don't get scammed. There is a lot of fake websites out there, so just be careful. Use the link down below so you know you're actually getting into the real Hustlers University. Now, as you can see right here, the matrix is cracked. This is your chance and escape.
You're broke!
So it does cost $50. Before, it did cost $149 for an initial sign up, which was literally insane. But I'm just gonna input all my information real quick. So we have all our information in there, and now let's sign up.
Welcome to the real world, Luke.
So as you guys can see, there is a couple of options like stocks, Amazon, freelancing. But in this video, we're gonna be doing the affiliate program one right here. And let's just get right into it. So now when starting, there is a professional, as you saw in the Discord, and he kind of helps you out with getting your link. And also, if you need any extra help, he's gonna tell you how you can get more views, more affiliates. Now I want to discuss the genius reason that Andrew Tate actually has this affiliate programming part in his Hustlers University, and it's gonna blow your mind. So technically, you are only getting 50% of the sign-up fee or the profit, and then Andrew Tate keeps the other 50%. And also later on, if they keep signing up or staying in the program, you don't get any of those profits. So each time you get someone to sign up, you're gonna get $25. So honestly, Andrew Tate's coming out with a way bigger bag, since most people are gonna forget that they're signed up, or they're just gonna stay signed up because they make money on the Hustlers University. Fair play by Andrew Tate. But to make a bag, you got to give him a bag. Now, basically, they do give you a custom link for yourself. Now, after this, you can upload TikToks or YouTube Shorts. So here's an example of a TikTok or a YouTube Short of Andrew Tate. And also, as you can see, it's getting millions of views. So after someone watches this video, likes it, comments, just because they already like Andrew Tate, well, now they're going to be using the link to sign up for Hustlers University. So what these people do with these videos are using very flashy, big words that just pop up and kind of keep your attention span. And it's as easy as that. Let's say you get 2 million views and 5% of them go to your channel and sign up for Hustlers University. Now that I'm looking at this example, it is pretty unrealistic, but you should be making $2,500,000. Now, don't be shooting that high, especially getting 2 million views and having a 5% conversion rate is very rare. Well, let's get straight to this challenge. I'll see you guys at the end of this week, and I'm gonna let you guys know how many referrals and how much money I actually make from this challenge. Now, I know I said 1 week, but it's actually been 2 weeks. Now, I know I was kind of delaying it, and I was supposed to do it only for 1 week, but we did keep uploading throughout these 2 weeks. So this kind of gives you more of a realistic result of how much money I made. So in total, we made 241 referrals. This is because a couple of videos of ours popped off. Now you may be thinking, oh, that's literally like no money. You only made $1,105. Well, that's actually not all the money we made. Now, as you can see, it says unpaid earnings. And as you can see, these are my payouts or payments that I got from these last 2 weeks. Right here, we made $431. Right after that, $407, $311, $335. Now, these 4 payments were all from this week, and I think we have more payments coming in. So that is why it doesn't look like as much as we were supposed to get. First off, I definitely think there is better options like Amazon affiliate programming. Basically, what you do is you advertise a Amazon product, and then you get paid for this. Now, why I think this is such a great deal is because there's always new products coming out on Amazon, and also you can advertise mass links and make multiple viral videos on separate products. When you're advertising one link to Andrew Tate's Hustler University, the people keep getting narrow and more narrow. It has been around for years, like I said, so there is probably only like maybe a million other people who have not signed up for it, but those people are going to be very hesitant, so it's going to be kind of difficult for you to still make money. Alright guys, so I sadly just looked into it, and actually now Andrew Tate only offers $12 per affiliate marketing link, so that is actually kind of why we got paid less, and that's why we actually had way less money than we were supposed to get. Now, with all that said, make sure to download my free Discord down below, where I show you guys how to affiliate market, dropship, and also how to trade stocks. This Discord is actually free, unlike Andrew Tate's, so that's why I kind of recommend it more. But there is also a premium version, which is more than half of the price of Andrew Tate's. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.